Hello, this is Shane again, and we are going to talk a little bit about something different this week. So we're going to talk a little bit about festivals. Now, just in the spirit of San Juan or San Juan, we would like to talk about festivals that we celebrate in other parts of the world, namely in the United Kingdom. So you might be familiar with festivals as something that happens as a religious holiday or as a music festival. For example, Primavera Sound, Cruïlla, Sonar, the Barcelona Beach Festival. There's so many. So let's talk about a couple of them. The first one I would like to talk about is the Edinburgh Festival Fringe, or the Edinburgh Fringe Festival, or as I'm going to refer to it now, the Fringe, for the rest of the video. Now, in the Fringe, Edinburgh, in the north of the United Kingdom, the capital of Scotland, you have so many performers. Now, it's very busy in Edinburgh throughout the year. They have about 12 festivals every year, and this is the biggest one. And it's celebrated normally in July and August, along with about 6 other festivals. So, it is big. It has over 2,000 performers. 2,000 performers. Now imagine, if you have 2,000 performers, how many spectators and visitors do you think that the Edinburgh Fringe will get, or the Fringe will get every single year? Many, many tens and tens of thousands of people, obviously. Let's move to another festival, another very big festival in the United Kingdom, and one of the biggest and most widely recognized festivals in the world, the Glastonbury Festival. Now, the Glastonbury Festival might be known quite well for its music. For example, it is one of the places where the biggest performers in pop, in rock, in jazz, in hip-hop, in electronic music, in dance music, in whatever type of music you can think of. That is where they go. Most of the biggest performances are played in Glastonbury every single year. Now, it is a high demand festival, and it has about 145,000 tickets every year. Now, the thing is, that demand is quite high because of those 145,000, they come from a registration of about 350,000 people. That's almost 200,000 people that will not get a ticket every year they apply. Now, that doesn't mean that that's all that we have going or wanting to go. There's probably millions of people that want to go every single year but are unable to because they cannot buy the tickets. So it's big for music, but just like the Fringe Festival, it is also very well known for its art. It has lots of artistic performances. It has mimes, it has a circus, it has textiles, it has sculptures, it has so many different things. It has comedians. Okay, it has so many different things as well available, and it is well worth getting the ticket for 3 days, so you can camp out with your friends, you can visit the music, and you can see all of the attractions of the festival. There's one more I want to talk about, and that's the Isle of Wight Festival. The Isle of Wight Festival started in the 1960s, and it is still going to this very day, more than 50 years later. Okay, now, unfortunately this year, like most festivals, it probably will not or has not taken place. But it is a place where some of the best rock musicians, some of the greatest guitarists, some of the greatest musicians and craftsmen of musical craftsmen and craftswomen from pop and electronic genres attend and perform. Okay. It's about 2 hours from London, but it is across the water as it is in the Isle of Wight. Okay, so it gives you a little sense of getting away from the busy city of London and getting out to the Isle of Wight. I'm going to ask you 3 questions and then I'm going to finish the video. So, first one, which festival do you camp with? That's right, it's the Glastonbury Festival. Number 2, how long has the Isle of Wight Festival been going? Okay, more than 50 years, exactly. And which festival can anyone perform at? Now, this one is not the most variety, so obviously it's going to be the Edinburgh Fringe Festival. Okay, which one would you like to attend? Yeah, I thought you would like that one too. All right, I'm going to go now. See you guys. Enjoy your San Juan or San Juan and have a lovely week. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.